If Photoshop is showing the error "not the right kind of document," don't worry. This usually means the file extension does not match the actual file type, or the file may be corrupted. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple fixes step by step so you can get the file open again without wasting time. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Photoshop fixes and creative software tutorials. Let's start with the most common issue, the file extension. On Windows or Mac, make sure your operating system is showing file extensions first. Sometimes a file may look like it ends in .jpeg, but it is actually named something like image.jpeg.psd or file.png.psd, which can confuse Photoshop. To fix that, right-click the file, choose Rename, and remove any extra extension so the file name matches the real format. For example, if you see image.jpeg.psd and you know it should be a JPEG, rename it to image.jpg. If that does not solve it, try removing the extension completely. Rename the file so it only keeps the base name, like changing file.psd to just file. Then right-click the file, choose Open With, and try opening it again in Photoshop. Sometimes this helps if the extension is causing the issue, especially when the file was renamed incorrectly during download, transfer, or export. Next, if the file still won't open, try opening it in another basic program first. On Windows, you can use Paint, Photos, or another image viewer. Open the file there, and if it displays properly, use Save As to export it as a fresh .jpeg or .png. Then go back to Photoshop and import that newly saved file. This can often fix a file that is slightly damaged or saved in a format Photoshop is struggling to read. Another important step is to check where the file is stored. If the image is on an external hard drive, USB drive, shared network folder, or cloud sync location, copy it to your local desktop first. Then try opening it from your computer's internal drive. Sometimes Photoshop runs into issues when the connection drops, the drive disconnects briefly, or the file path is unstable. A local copy can eliminate that problem right away. If you are still getting the error after that, the file may actually be corrupted. In that case, try using a backup version, a different export, or an original source file if you have one. Also, if the file came from another app or was downloaded from the internet, re-downloading or re-exporting it can help. So to quickly recap, first check the extension, then remove any extra extension, try opening the file in another program and resaving it, and finally copy it to your local drive if it was stored on external or network storage. These simple steps solve the "not the right kind of document" error in many cases. If this video helped you fix the problem, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more Photoshop troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.